Hello! Since you are here, let me invite you to the next edition of the International Workshop on Semantic Digital Twins. What is a digital twin? Digital twins are no more than virtual representations of some physical entity, such as a car, a building, a factory, a city, or even a person. Digital twins are getting a lot of relevance in industry and also in academia. And we, in the semantic web community, have a lot of things to say on how to produce semantic models of digital twins, how to access and integrate digital twin data, and how to make them work at web scale. So let me encourage you to participate in this year's edition of the workshop, where you will meet other people working in the topic, their research, and you will be able to watch in live real semantic digital twin projects. See you there. Was that my digital twin?